Here are 6 websites to create faceless viral content. The first one is ttsfree.com. Simply open the website. It will look something like this. Now all you have to do is add text or copy and paste any video script you might have. Scroll below and tap on TTS Server 2. Here you will find realistic AI voices for your videos for completely free. Adjust the pitch and speed of your voice and your video voiceover is ready within seconds. You can use it for creating YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels or anything you want. There is no issue with copyright. The video you're watching right now is also done using an AI voice. Simply add some background music to make it more engaging and you're good to go. Creating audio content for your videos on autopilot has never been so easy. Thousands of other channels are using a similar approach to create content consistently. Now the second website is AnswerSocrates.com. This site consistently gives you great content ideas and titles with minimum research. You simply go to their website and enter your topic, niche, or any related keyword. Choose the country if you have an audience from a specific location and choose a language accordingly. This tool will instantly get to work finding what your viewers are searching on the internet regarding the specific topic you entered. This is great to find evergreen content ideas, especially for YouTube, that will keep bringing you views for years to come. Find problems people are searching actively for and create a great piece of content around it. Such videos usually stay on top of search results on YouTube. Now the third website is called Steve.ai. This website lets you create faceless viral content for any social media you want. Simply click on Use Case on the top and here you will find endless things you can do to create great video content without ever showing your face. You can make YouTube content, marketing videos, educational content and much more. It offers everything you need inside a single tool. You can convert text to images, text to videos, create beautiful stories and a lot more. You can even create animations and characters as if they were created by professional animators just by dragging and dropping. Super cool. The videos can be created directly in your browser and are super easy to export and download. For the fourth website, go to this link by Bensound.com. As you can see, the website offers free music and sounds for your YouTube videos without any copyright issue. You can scroll through endless music library and click on free download to access it and use it in your videos. As your videos start getting more views, you can use the filter options on the left side to choose music from genre, mood, theme, energy level, and duration. Many YouTubers are already using this website to find good music and it's about time you get your hands on this one. Combine this with Steve.ai and you have yourself a very powerful combo for creating super high quality faceless content. I'll also add link to this specific page for free music down in the description so you don't have to type it manually. The fifth website is called ViralFinder.com. This tool helps you find viral content opportunities on the internet. All you have to do is log in with a free account and enter your competitor's social media handle. This tool will scan the Instagram page and see what kind of content is going viral for your competitor. From there you can easily create a list of content opportunities that are getting more views than usual. See what kind of videos they made and create an even better version of it using all the tools mentioned before. Repeat this process with at least 3 to 5 accounts daily to see what content ideas has the highest probability of going viral. Start working on those videos with all your heart and do it consistently over a few months to see the results for yourself. Now the sixth and the final website is Photo.com. This one is super useful if you want to use a lot of visuals inside your content, especially if you don't know how to use Photoshop. This tool gives you all the essential photo editing features you need without actually having to learn Photoshop. You can create designs, enhance photos, remove image backgrounds, convert photos to art, and many other AI features. You can also click on Create and make all these social media visuals like YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, Pinterest pins, and much more. Anyone can become a professional graphic designer without any skills in basically no time, so check it out. There you have it. These 6 tools when combined offer endless opportunities to create faceless viral content from the comfort of your home. You don't even need a super powerful PC to use most of these. If you like this video and want to see more stuff like this, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. Make sure to stick around till next time and I'll see you again.